Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Super momshies, today we're going to make another beautiful flower decoration out of plastic bottles and some old mini plastic flowers which already damaged, but we're going to utilize it to transform into a beautiful flower. So if you are ready, let's go and start. Super momshies, this will be the main materials that we're going to use, and as I've said, the mini plastic flowers which already damaged that we're going to utilize to transform into a beautiful flower. Of course, my lovely nail polish, the glue gun, and of course the plastic buds which I already cut, and the non-woven cloth. So first we're going to cut this one. Okay, it will be look like that. Then we're going to use the nail polish. Alright, it's already dried, so we're going to cut it like this. So it will be look like this. Alright, so we're going to assemble now. Alright, super momshies. Okay, so this is the bendable wire. I covered it already. You have to put it like that. These are my old flower decorations which already totally damaged, so I just want to renovate it. We're going to wrap it.
Here we go.
Okay, this is how it looks like, but we are going to bend all this cut plastic bottle. Alright, this is how it looks like.
Invincible.
Alright, Super Momshies, this is it. Now we create another beautiful flower. Alright. Alright, Super Momshies, before we will end up this video, I would like to give a mega love shout out to everybody, to subscribers and non-subscribers and the silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos update. And I would like to say thank you to everybody. Until next time, babushi.